Okay guys, in this video I will show you how to use a very useful feature on your iPhone called text recognition. Now first things first, what exactly is text recognition and why would you want to use it? Let me explain it with a simple example. Let's say you are holding a sandwich package in your hand. For this example, it is a BLT bacon sandwich from a store called Marks and Spencer. Now imagine that someone asks you to take all the small printed text from that package, like the ingredients and nutrition info, and type it out into a Word document on your computer. That would probably take you around 10 minutes or even more if you type slowly or have difficulty reading small print. But what if your iPhone could do all that work for you in just a few seconds? Wouldn't that be amazing? Well, that is exactly what text recognition does. It allows your iPhone to scan printed or written words and turn them into digital text. That way, you can copy it and use it anywhere you like without having to type it by hand. Now let me walk you through exactly how to do this. And don't worry, I'll take it step by step. First, you need to grab your iPhone and open the camera app. You can open the camera in two different ways. You can either tap the camera icon on your home screen, or if your phone is locked, you can swipe left on your lock screen to quickly open the camera. Now point your iPhone at the text you want to scan. This can be anything: a newspaper article, a book page, a product label, anything with printed or clearly written words. Make sure the text is well lit and easy to see. Hold your phone still for a couple of seconds. Now look closely at the screen. In the bottom right corner of the screen, you will see a small icon appear. It looks like three small lines inside a square. That is the Live Text icon. When you see it, tap on it once. As soon as you tap on it, the iPhone will highlight the part of the photo or image that has text in it. Everything else will fade slightly so the text is easier to see. This is the moment where your iPhone switches from just looking at an image to actually recognizing the words in it. Now, to select the text you want, gently place your finger on any word and hold it there for about 2 seconds. You will see that word become highlighted. Now, without lifting your finger too far, you can slowly drag the blue markers on each end of the highlight to select more text. You can select a single word, a sentence, or even all the words on the image. Take your time and adjust the selection until it includes everything you need. Once you're happy with the text you selected, gently tap on it once. A small menu will pop up. One of the options will say Copy. Go ahead and tap Copy. Now all the text you selected is saved to your clipboard. That means your phone is holding that text and you can now paste it wherever you want. Now let me show you how to paste that copied text somewhere. For this example, I'm going to use the Notes app on my iPhone. Open the Notes app by tapping on the icon. Create a new note by tapping the icon that looks like a pencil and paper. Now to paste the text, simply tap on the blank screen and hold your finger there for 1 to 2 seconds. After a moment, a small black menu will appear. You will see the word Paste. Tap on Paste. As soon as you do that, the text you copied earlier will appear in your note. You do not need to type anything at all. It works exactly the same way in any messaging app like iMessage, WhatsApp, or Messenger. Just tap and hold in the message box and tap Paste. Your copied text will appear there instantly. And that is how you use the text recognition feature on your iPhone. It is built right into the camera app. You do not need to download anything or pay for any extra software. It is quick, easy, and very helpful, especially if you have difficulty reading or typing. I hope this tutorial helped you learn something new today. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful guides like this one. Thank you for watching.